Hello students, let us study the continuation of lesson 5 Evolution of Mankind part 2. In part 1 we studied about Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Now we will study about Neanderthal man. In part 1 of this chapter we studied how man evolved from Homo habilis to Homo erectus, and we also studied about their features. Now in part 2 we will study about the further evolution of mankind. Man has evolved from various stages, that is namely from apes to primitive man, from primitive man to Homo habilis, and from Homo habilis to Homo erectus, and from Homo erectus to Homo neanderthal man. So today we are going to learn about Homo neanderthal man. The Homo neanderthalensis or the Neanderthal man were the next generation or the species of mankind after Homo erectus. They were called as Homo neanderthal man. They were more developed stage of evolution compared to Homo habilis and Homo erectus. The remains or the fossils of these species were found in a place called Neanderthal in Germany. Hence they were commonly called as Neanderthal. On the basis of C14, which we already studied in the previous chapters, it was estimated that Neanderthal man became extinct 30,000 years ago. Let us study the features about this species. Their brain were more developed compared to Homo erectus, and if you see in the picture, they were physically strong and big as compared to the other two. Now let us study about the food, clothing and shelter of these species. Now we enjoy different varieties of food with different flavors and taste. Earlier during the Neanderthal period, they used to have roasted meat cooked on fire. They were mainly meat eaters. Let us study about the clothing of Neanderthal man. Now we have variety of clothing for men, women, children, and it also differs from state to state. But during that period they used to wear leather clothing which protected them from cold, whereas the Homo habilis and Homo erectus used to tie barks, leaves to cover themselves. Let us study about the shelter. House is the basic need of man from that period till now. Some people live in hut, some people live in bungalow according to their capacity and ability. During that period, the Neanderthal man lived in caves, whereas the Homo habilis and Homo erectus wandered from place to place for food and shelter. Let us study about the tools used by them. It was more advanced. It was made up of wood, bones and stone. They used to break big pebbles, that is big stones, into small, and even they used the flakes scraped off from them and fixed it on bones or wooden shaft and made weapons like axe, spear, etc. They used these tools to hunt big animals. Let us study the languages used by them. Now we have different languages throughout the world. Earlier it was believed by the scientists that Neanderthal man communicated with each other by producing grunts, that is short and deep sound, to express their thoughts and feelings. Let us study the rituals and customs followed by them. Even today we follow many rituals and customs during functions, festival, etc. We too are following our forefathers what they did in the past. In the olden days, the Neanderthal man used to follow certain rituals if any of their group members died. They used to apply a red ochre, that is a clay, to the dead body as a mark of their religious belief. Also they used to bury the belongings of the dead person such as tools, horns, etc. used by them. Technique of making fire. The Neanderthal man were the first to learn the technique of making fire by rubbing the sticks of hard wood on each other or by striking flint stone on another to produce spark. Migration, which means moving from one place to another place. Even in today's world, we too migrate from one place to another place in search of job, education, etc. And when we move from one place to another place, we find difficulties to adapt to the food, environment, weather change, people, etc. It takes us some time to adapt to that environment. Similarly, during the Neanderthal period, they also migrated from one place to another place. Some Neanderthal left Africa and moved to other continents like Europe and Asia. They too faced a lot of difficulties like the way of living and finding food. Eventually, they got adapted to their environment and made use of things which was available there. Modification in tools. At present, we find lot of differences in technologies. It keeps updating. All the electronic gadgets and appliances like television, mobile refrigerator, washing machine, etc. has evolved, upgraded and developed lot of advanced features. Similarly, the Neanderthal man kept improving and modifying their tools which was useful for their living like hunting animals, scraping the meat, etc.